Hello, I'm Todd Townsend here at the 2016 CES in Las Vegas, the Consumer Electronics Show, the largest technology show on the planet, 2.4 million square feet of what's happening now and in the future. This is where the entire industry from around the globe, the technology industry, gets together to talk about what's going on. And I'll tell you, this year is no different than the others. Things are changing faster and faster. This year we're seeing technology go into some of the things we may already have in our homes and in our lives to make them smarter and more useful. For example, appliances. Appliances are getting smarter. This is the Whirlpool smart French door refrigerator. And you open this inside, you have these U-shaped shelves that look like a home pantry where you walk in and you can easily just grab anything. There's a lot of room in here, so really easy to get stuff inside. It's been redesigned. And just as importantly, this is now a smart appliance, meaning it's connected to the internet through your home Wi-Fi. It can do things like give you a notification if the power goes off in your house. You want to go back and check on your food. It also has the Whirlpool smart mobile app with it, which allows you to change modes. So for example, let's say you're going to entertain. This has what's called a party mode. You put it in party mode, it jacks up the ice maker to high, it lowers the temperature in the refrigerator because it knows the doors are going to be open and closed a lot to keep that temperature down, and when you're done it goes back to normal. So we're seeing technology turn these things into useful items in our home that we can adjust on a situation to situation basis. Something else we're seeing a lot here at the show is more and more personal items getting smart. We've heard about fitness trackers for the last few years. Smartwatches are just kind of starting to become a major item, but in the past those smartwatches were kind of techy, plasticky. Well, Huawei's here with the Huawei Watch, and this is really an elegant timepiece. This is something you'd expect to see in the watch counter at a high-end jewelry store, except it's got smarts in it. It's running the latest version of the Android Wear operating system, which works with both Android and iPhone. It lets you work with your phone, so you get things like text notifications, incoming phone calls, emails, calendars. You can reply by voice right on the watch. You can also track your heart rate real time, and it's a fitness tracker. It knows when you're moving around. So we're seeing technology turn some of those things that we already have in our lives into smart devices that do more. Now, some of the other things going on here at the show, the big things going forward, drones. A lot of people have drones now. They're getting cheaper. They're getting much smarter. They're flying themselves. At this show, they're going to be able to fly themselves around and through obstacles with nobody helping them. So they're kind of autonomous, going through the air, taking videos. Really cool for a lot of people who are into that. And cars. Cars are becoming one of the biggest things at CES. And really from the electronics perspective, they're focused on the technology in cars. So in other words, in the future, cars are all moving to be electric vehicles, battery electric, as well as autonomous, self-driving, being able to drive themselves. The major car manufacturers are all here talking about that, how we're going to get to fully self-driving cars over the next decade. And then what happens to the car? It's all going to be connected to the internet. It's going to have technology in it. Does it become your mobile living room, your mobile bedroom, your mobile office? Everything's changing, and it's all happening here at CES 2016. This is the place to find things out. Go to toddtownsend.com/CES for more, and I'll see you next time.